Hello students, so hope all of you are fine. This is Sandeep Tiwari, your physics teacher. Now we will study about a capacitor. It is a system of two conductors separated by an insulator. So there are two conductors, one, two. Okay, so we can say these are conductors or these can be plates. Conductors or plates, and they are separated by an insulator. So the thing here is an insulator. It can be air, it can be rubber, it can be wood, so any insulator. So in this capacitor we have air, and we have charges on both conductors, and they are equal in most of the cases, and the potentials of the conductors are V1 and V2, and because of this potential difference there will be an electric field between the capacitor plates. Now this is how a capacitor is charged. This charge comes from a battery. So a battery is connected, hence we have this positive plate and this negative plate, and equal charge on both the plates. This is a key. So when we connect the key, the capacitor begins to charge. So this charge Q or minus Q, this Q is called the charge of the capacitor, although total charge on the capacitor is 0, because Q plus minus Q will be 0. But we say that Q is the charge of the capacitor. Now the electric field E between the plates is proportional to the potential difference. So E is proportional to the potential difference, or E is proportional to the charge. Now we can say charge is proportional to the potential difference. Potential difference can be written as V, so charge is proportional to V, or we can say Q is CV. C is a constant. C is equal to Q by V. This constant is called the capacitance. C is called the capacitance of the capacitor, and as you can understand, capacitance or capacity, it tells us about the capacity, like for 1 volt how much charge is required on the capacitor. Suppose V is 1, then C is equal to Q. So for unit voltage rising, how much charge we have to give to the capacitor. Now C depends on the geometrical shape. Like in the previous example, the capacitor has plates which are planes. So the shape can be of different types. It can be like plates, it can be spherical, it can be cylindrical. So the C or capacitance depends on geometrical shape, size, what is the area, what is the distance between the plates, and the dielectric or insulator between the plates. Unit SI unit is farad or coulomb per volt. Symbol is this, two plates which are equal. Now we have to study dielectric breakdown. Now the insulator that we are keeping between the capacitor plates, we know that polarization takes place. Okay, so this insulator here or dielectric, polarization will take place because of the electric field produced by the plates. Now the potential of the plates is directly proportional to the electric field. At some electric field, the dielectric ionizes. We say that polarization takes place. Now the polarization can increase, and at one point the charges will permanently separate. This is called ionization, and at that point the dielectric will become conducting, because the charges will permanently separate. If this happens, the charge of the capacitor leaks. Leakage means because the insulator has become conducting, so the charge will flow from positive to negative plate directly like a conductor. This is called dielectric breakdown, and the electric field at which it is happening is called the dielectric strength. Okay, so this is how the ionization will take place, and the charge will directly flow like a conductor. Although it is an insulator, but it will become a conductor when breakdown happens. So this is our dielectric breakdown.